Hey, this is Dave coming at you again from beautiful Vermont. I wanted to do this video for you today. I had a call earlier today from somebody on a different team. It's actually somebody on Tony's team, and trying to find out some information. And I thought that I could help him very quickly, and it turned out to be a lot more difficult than I imagined because it's been a couple months since I could first set up my Empower blog and went through the fast start training. And the question was, how do I get my Aweber code and set it up for Empower? And I thought, oh, it's just right here in the back office, and it should be like real easy for you to do. So I figured what I'll do is I'll get to that information and find the code. And it was a lot harder than I thought. So I said, well, hey, I can figure this out. I went into the back office, went to where it used to be, down at the bottom here, and when you set up your Aweber, when you clicked on that, you would have the code right there. Just put that into Aweber and bada bing, bada boom. Well, that didn't work either. So then I went searching. I found Aweber share code. This one right here, Aweber Team 3. I think that'll work. And then I found and searched for another one, and I found campaign code, emp_net. And I thought, that's interesting. That's not even at all the same. And I found yet another one, which was empowered and in this number. I thought, that's interesting. And then I kept looking, and I found this one, Empower 118. And then I found yet another one, Empower Team 3. And then I found yet another one, Empowered 196, blah, blah, blah. It's like, what the heck? And then I found another one in the back office. I went in the back office and found in the knowledge base, and it came up right here, how to set up your Aweber thing. And look what it says right here. Empower no longer has a valid campaign code. You may ask your sponsor to create one for you by the following steps. I didn't know that. Apparently that's changed since I started. Although it says here November 2012, which is before I started. So apparently that's why my sponsor sent me a code via Skype, because they no longer have one. So what you can do is ask your sponsor, and he simply goes down to the bottom of his list, and he creates the code here, and that code there would load what I have in my Aweber, 86 emails, some of which I just added recently, but most of these, at least 75 of them, are all the Aweber code that my sponsor gave me a couple months ago. So if you're all wondering, gee, I would like to have those, what I'm going to do at the bottom of this video is actually have links for all of these. So you can choose to use the first one that I found, or the second one that I found, or the third one that I found, or the fourth one that I found, or you can use mine, even though you're not on my team, because I can't find the one that my sponsor gave me. So that's the answer. The Empower no longer has a valid campaign code, so you should email rather than call and ask your sponsor, but I would suggest you either Skype or email your sponsor to get his campaign code, his or her, excuse me, so that you can set up your Aweber account, because obviously this is one of the very first things you should do. So I hope that was helpful, and if it was, you can share and comment this post and or video, and I hope you have a great day, or make it a great day if it's not already. And don't forget, if somebody asks you how you're doing, always say fantastic and getting better. It's not, I don't want you to lie, just tell the truth in advance. See you at the top.